Alrighty guys, good morning. Today is another Aldi shop video. So I am going to get, I think, 5 dinners worth of food and Zoe's lunch stuff for under $25. We're at Aldi and I probably have to go to Target to get like 1 or 2 things. But before we go into the store, my lips not crusty, I want to share with you guys, I have my notebook, I have my list somewhere right here, and I basically wrote out the meals that I'm going to be prepping, making next week, today, tomorrow, and next week up until Thursday, because I will come back to the store, and then Zoe's lunch meals, and then everything I needed for those meals, and then I checked off what I had at home. So I also have a board now that has like the meals for the week and Zoe's lunch, because Zoe starts school on Tuesday, and things to do, and when we're out of something, one of us can write it on the board. Okay, so that's the goal today. I have my pen, I have my notebook, I have my bags here. Let's go ahead and shop. I'm actually going to try to film today in the store. There's not a lot of people here because it's early, and you guys know how I feel about bringing my camera out in public. It's still kind of weird, but I'm trying to get over that fear. So let's go ahead and go shopping. Let's see, we got buns. We need these buns. They're $1 off. Yeah. So, okay, so I got some stuff on my list and it was only $6.95 so far. So we got a few things left, so let's see what happens. As you guys saw, those buns were $1 off, so it made it $1.99 instead of $2.99. Okay, let's get some barbecue sauce for orange chicken and pulled turkey chicken. So we're gonna get 2, and they're 95 cents, and I'm gonna get 2 of them. But always weigh your fruit. So this is a little over 2 pounds. It's 44 cents a pound, so about 88 cents, $1, or at $1, just in case. Getting the meat is what's gonna take a huge chunk of the budget, so I'm trying to get all the other stuff first. Beans, which is like 49 cents. I think I only need 1 can of black beans. So I have to put a barbecue sauce back because I went over budget. So, and I have to get vegetables still. So minus 95 cents. Okay guys, so I definitely went over the budget because there was several things on the list that I didn't take account for, like paper towels, pancake mix, and bananas. And I went over it. My total came out to be $34.15, and I was supposed to go like to 25, so I did go over about almost $10. But like I said, I did get a few things that wasn't on the list that I totally forgot to write down. But here's the kicker. I'm going to Target because I actually have a return from Target, and I didn't get the purple onion from here because Aldi sells a lot of things in bulk as far as like fruits and vegetables, and I don't like buying a bag of purple onions because last time I did, I waste like half the bag. So I'm just going to Target to get a purple onion, but also getting a refund for the things that I have, and I'm getting that $10 back anyways. So it's kind of like I'm still saving without saving, because I did grab extra things that I was actually going to grab at Target with the refund and save here, but it was actually cheaper here than it was Target. So that's why I went ahead and grabbed it here. So let's go ahead and go to Target, grab the purple onion, and I think that's all I need, because I switched one of the meals from orange chicken this week to spaghetti. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the orange chicken and just get a extra thing of like chicken or something at Target, or get like shrimp to do something that I was going to do, like instead of doing the chicken bowls I was going to do this week, I will do shrimp. So I'm going to see how much the shrimp costs here. If not, I'll come back and get it. Guys, so I'm back home. This is all the stuff I got for my budget, and I went a little bit over, but I think I did pretty good because a few things was not on the list, and I still got, and I did get the apples and the purple onion from Target. I just got some lemons and a lime, but it was tax-free weekend as well. So, yep, that's my Aldi shop trip for under $25, which I kind of failed at, but kind of did good at, because I did get a refund. So, it depends on how you want to look at it. But yeah, so that's everything I got. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I can't wait to chat with you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Okay guys, you guys are already here, so don't forget to click down below and subscribe, and click that notification bell to get a notification when I post a new video, and check out some of my latest videos like this one you see here.